Isn't she a little cutie girl? Nania. Super good with babies, right? Super good with my baby boy. Are you a baby? Curly, curly.
Stand up.
Hmm? Hi, Emerald. I think she would like to sleep with you tonight. Every single doll wants to sleep with you. You're gonna be a busy boy. Is that okay? Okay. Okay. Hi, Nania.
Where do you want to build?
What is that?
Build what? The reactor, Hogan. You know, after looking at all of this stuff I just built.
Very, very gentle, right? Is she a gentle girl?
No.
Oh, no? Very gentle girl. And you're a gentle boy?
No.
You're not?
Yes.
Oh, yes. You're a bad boy, huh?
No.
No, you're the best boy ever, okay? Okay, say, give Nani a kiss and say, wait for me. I'm busy with my computers.
No.
No. Ah, you're so busy, boy.